San Francisco area was hit by a 3.4 earthquake again today. It shook the Bay Area. It also shook Long Valley Caldera to its south, and it also shook Mount Shasta volcano to its north. And Mount Shasta also had a separate volcano hours later, a separate earthquake hours later of 1.8 magnitude. So we know that this is, of course, a very earthquake-prone area, one of the worst in the world. It has San Andreas Fault, taking up 75% of the subduction of the Pacific Plate under the North American plate pressure, and the Walker Lane Fault System, which holds these volcanoes, the high-threat volcanoes of California, taking up the remainder of the 25% of the subduction energy pressure. Let's take a look at the maps to see what was going on there today. Kindly support my Patreon account since YouTube has again demonetized my YouTube channel. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below. Here is the 1.8 magnitude earthquake that we had at Mount Shasta exactly. And this is the 3.4 magnitude that we had north of the Bay Area. And these are the earthquakes that we've had, of course, today. The blue are today. The red is the past hour. But let's take a look at the frequency, the seismic waves in the area, so that you can see. This is it here. This is Mount Shasta right there where my hand is. And this is the Bay Area, of course. And this thing here, this lake here, is Mono Lake of the Long Valley Caldera. Now, if you extend, of course, the USGS cuts the lines in this square, but if you extend them, obviously, you'll see that this quake, again, has shaken the area of the Long Valley Caldera, which is a supervolcano, California supervolcano, which is inflating. Now, this is Mount Shasta, and Mount Shasta has had its own 1.8 right there. That's it right there, 1.8 magnitude. I don't believe they have the frequency because it's so small, okay? But that's it right there, Mount Shasta, right there. And this, concerning Mount Shasta, right here, it's the southern Cascade area, as we know. Northern California, second largest volcano of the Cascade Range. Mount Shasta, nearly 10,000 feet above sea level. It has estimated volume of 350 cubic kilometers, makes it the most voluminous stratovolcano in the Cascade volcanic arc. We should go and see the geodesy on that too. And this is the map of it right here. The last time it erupted was 1786, and 500 years before that, they believe. And the latest quake that we had, as we said, about 2 hours, 6 minutes ago, the 1.6. That's it right there. It has a complex summit consisting of 4 overlapping volcanic cones, including the main summit prominent satellite cone. There are 7 named glaciers on Mount Shasta. The four largest, the Whitney, Bolam, Holtlam, and Winton, radiate down the the main summit below the cone, 10,000 feet. Okay, and this is on Volcano Discovery. And as we said, it's the southernmost Cascades volcano, most voluminous in magma, 350 cubic kilometers. The oldest known human settlement in the area dates to about 7,000 years ago. And that's Shasta, as we can see. Nearby Black Butte. Volcanic status. It's supposed to be dormant, according to Volcano Discovery. Normal to dormant, 1 out of 5. Now, going back to our area, it was obviously shaking. The whole area has been shaking. And let's go back to see the Cascades area is shaking as well. As we know, we have a lot of earthquakes here as well. This is a lot of activity in Yellowstone as well, as we can see. Of course, they're small, so they're not, this is just background, normal activity. Let's take a look at the geodesy of Mount Shasta to see what's going on there. Okay, so here we are at Geodesi, and I'll leave a link below for you for this. This is a map showing all the GPS networks worldwide, and you can see what's happening in your area too. Concerning this map, it'll show you what the deformation is going on. Now, this is Mount Shasta, as we can see right here. Mount Shasta right there under that. Let's go into some of these so you can see what is going on there. There's Mount Shasta. Beautiful cone, as you can see. And they have a number of GPS stations. Let's take this one here. See what's happening there. Okay, that's P663. If it goes up, it means it's going east. This is not going east because it's going down very rapidly, very clearly, evenly, from 2008 to this year. It's going west. And if this graph would be going up, that means it's going north. It's not going north, it's going south. So it's going southwest, and it's basically even though it's seasonal. This GPS shows that this area is going southwest. Southwest, this way. There's Black Butte right there, Abrams Lake. Okay, let's take this one here to the south. Let's see, 655. That again is going southwest and stable, as we can see. And something here to the west of it, P657. Again, it's the same thing. And although we have a little bit of deflation here, let's go here. P660, again, is going southwest and is pretty stable even though it's seasonal. Now let's go to the Bay Area to see what we can see what's going on there. The Bay Area, where are we? Here we are. Let's take this one here. P261. What's going on? It's going, this one is going west, but this one's going north. This is going northwest, and it's deflating. It's going northwest. So these were going southwest, these are going northwest. That's a little bit conflicting, isn't it? Okay, let's go down towards the other side of the Bay Area. Let's go down here, see what that is showing us. P218. Again, that's going northwest. It's going northwest, even though Shasta is going southwest. These are going northwest. These are going southwest. Let's take some of them here. Let's go to Mono Lake. Let's go to Mono Lake. That is there's Mono Lake right there. Mono City, Mono Lake. This is the Long Valley Caldera area. Let's go this. Mono Lake is going, it's a little bit inflating recently because you can see the magma is inflated. This is going southwest. Mono Lake is going southwest, southwest. This is going northwest. Okay, let's go to the south of Mono Lake. Again, you can see very strange things. It's going south, then it's going north, going northwest, and a lot of inflation here. A lot of inflation means there's a lot of magma coming in. Let's go a little bit more down to Crowley Lake. What's happening here? This is going southwest and inflating. So obviously you could see that the Long Valley Caldera is definitely inflating. So I'll leave links below for you for this. All of you there, please be very careful and alert for the earthquakes in your area. Thank you for your support, and please leave your comments. Thank you.